a great choice today with the 2013 Ford Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, navigation system, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, keyless entry, power liftgate, remote engine start, all-wheel drive, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.